Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prepping efficiently. Plug the Dash Mini Griddle in and set it to 375 degrees when cooking pancakes, eggs, or sandwiches. This temperature balances browning and even cooking. Once set, wipe the surface and spread about 1 teaspoon of oil or a light spray so food releases cleanly. Make sure you have a spatula and timer to hand. Having batter or sliced ingredients ready prevents crowding, which would lower surface temperature. You now move into the cooking rhythm. Place items spaced so heat circulates and the surface stays hot. Once the edges set and bubbles form on batter, flip. Pancakes usually need 2 to 3 minutes per side, eggs 1-2 minutes each side for runny yolks. Use a thin spatula to slide under food. Press gently only to improve contact, not to squeeze out juices. Monitor visually and with the timer, because thickness changes required time. You finish by turning the Dash Mini Griddle off and moving food to a rack or plate so steam doesn't soften crusts. Once cool and unplugged, wipe with a damp cloth. If residue remains, soak a soft sponge in warm soapy water for 10 to 15 minutes and then clean. If you see uneven browning next time, make sure the griddle is on a flat surface and receiving full power. Avoid long extension cords that can reduce heat, which causes patchy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.